So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Gleens, and you guys, this is a very requested set. This is a set that all of you guys that all of you guys have asked me for. In this video, I'm going to show you my e-filing skills. Yes, you guys, finally I will show you in this video my filing skills, and I will share with you some tips and tricks. And yeah, I really hope you will learn something from this video and that you will like it. So yeah, you guys, before we go ahead and watch this video, go on my Instagram and my Facebook and my TikTok, all my social media. I will put them here in the description so you can go ahead and show me some love. Now we can go ahead and watch this video. Okay, so this is my Mani Pro passport. This is my drill that I use for like 4 years now. That's why it's so dirty. And you have these two settings, the F and the R. I don't know what they stand for, but mine is always at the F. I'm right-handed, so I think that the right-handed, I think maybe forward or reverse, I don't know. But I always have it on the the F, because I am right-handed. And this is like the speed. I always have it like on the medium to medium high speed when I file. And this is the setting that you just click and open the thing where you have to put your bit in, and then you can click it open back to get it out. And these are my 3 favorites bits. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. This is also a bit that you can use. This is the safety bit if you are new, and these 2 bits I always use sometimes to carve, and this is a thin bit that I use to get the dirty things from under the nails. And my file is turning to the right and I use it to the left, so you have to use it the opposite way that your file is turning. Okay, so you can carve and file. So this is how the nails look after application. I didn't show that part because it's going to be a video on how I file and choose my drill. So I always begin at the tip of the nail. As you can see, never put your drill like directly on the flat, directly on the tip of the nail, because it will vibrate the hell out of your client's hand. This is very painful. It's not a pleasant feeling. So make sure when you are filing at the tip of the nail, you always go downwards. I will show you that in the next nail, but always file downwards, not directly to the nail. Yes, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like, go, yes, underneath, go, like, don't go directly, but go underneath. It's not underneath, but go downwards. Go downwards, file it downwards, and then I always go to the sides to get that shape that I want, and also underneath, because this was a refill, so I always get that excess acrylic or excess grown nail underneath. I get it off with this bit, and then I go on the sides and just I'm going to the left. You don't have to go left right. If you are a beginner, you can start with going right, left, and yeah, just go left and don't go left right, because it can be difficult, and the drill can like turn around the nail because you are going the opposite or the same way that the drill is turning. So I hope it's understandable. I really do my best to explain to you guys to the best. So yeah, as you can see, as I like said before, go downwards with your file at the tip. Don't go directly to the tip, go downwards, otherwise it will vibrate the whole nail. And yeah, go into the sides and file and shape the nail underneath to get that excess acrylic off from the previous set. And like left. I can do it left right, because now I already know how to manage my drill. But for you beginners, just go one way, don't go left or right, because it can turn over the whole entire nail and it can cut your finger or your client's finger. So make sure you just go one way. And if you think that this bit is too sharp for you, you can always start with the safety drill bit, so you can practice before going with this medium grit bit. Okay, mine bits are looking a little bit dirty, or they are old, but I like working with some old bits because they are not too sharp like new bits. So I just like to work with some when they are older because they don't cut easily. So yeah, they are not dirty, they're just old. I have this bit for like, I think 5 months now. So I just like when they are a little bit old. They just file so easy, and so yeah, I just like it. So yeah, you guys, I will let you watch the footage. I'm not going to speed it up. I'm sorry that I'm talking too much. I hope that this is clear for you guys so you can understand what I'm saying. And yeah, I really hope that you understand me. Let me know in the comments below, you guys, if you understand what I'm saying, and otherwise just ask me questions and I will do my best to answer all your guys' questions. I really do my best. Okay, so next I'm going in with my tapered bit for the cuticle area. I'm just like going slowly into the cuticle area. Don't point the tip of the bit like into the nail, because you will file too much and you will get those burnt lines that you don't want. Just try to go with the motion of the nails itself. It looks like I'm just pointing the bit into the nail, but it doesn't. I'm not pointing it into the nail. I really don't like those burnt marks. So I'm going very gently with this this bit, also on medium high speed, and just smoothing it into the cuticle area. And you can always use this bit a little bit lower to begin with, and yeah. So now I'm going in on the underneath the nail, because I think that when nails are pretty on the outside, they also have to be pretty underneath. So that's why I want to always like to clean. Just make sure you don't poke your client. It happens to me sometimes with the pointy thing, because I just want to clean everything. But make sure you don't poke your client with this pointy bit. Actually, this bit is a bit that I actually don't really know where I got this one from. I think it's just one of those bits that you get with those AliExpress nail drills. So I don't really have a link for you guys for this one, but I will link another one for you guys in the description box below that you can also use for the same thing. And yeah, I'm just cleaning, getting the excess nail from underneath and the excess colored acrylic that I've used in the previous set. And yeah, sometimes when you leave the old nail underneath, I just think it can also help with lifting and that kind of stuff, so that's why I always get it off. So now to the filing part, I'm using a 100-180 grit, and you really have to make sure that you have a file that don't bend, because then you won't get those sharp edges. And like you see, I just go one way with my file, and I don't go like straight to the side, but I like bend it a little bit underneath, so it's like straight from underneath and not straight from the sides, because you can also get lifting when you directly go on the sides and file like both directions immediately. So first go like one direction first, and like you can see I'm doing here again, one direction and one direction, so I don't get lifting at the sides. And if you see me like filing both ways, I'm just putting pressure on the tip, on the free edge, and not at the sides where the nail is still where the nail bed is still attached to the acrylic, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just putting pressure at the tips and not at the sides, because you can get lifting at the sides when you do this. So make sure you practice that. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm so sorry that I'm apologizing, but like, to my liking, I think it's really unclear, but you guys always say to me that I'm just saying the things perfect and that you understand me, so I hope this is always also clear for you guys. So yeah, just go ahead and file, and make sure you have a very sturdy file so they don't bend, so you can get those sharp edges and those crisp shape. And the word for today is unha, and unha means nails in Papiamento, the language from Curacao. So you guys, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every one of you guys that you are still watching. And if you're still here watching with me, comment a nail emoji in the comments below, so I know that you're still here. And if you're still here but you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, and then come back and just keep watching. And next, I'm looking at the nails from this angle, so I know that they are straight, because sometimes you can just file the nails and they are not straight at all from the client's view. So always look at this side of the nail so you can see if the nails are straight or not. And I always like to measure the nails to see if they are the same length and the same shape, and if they are not, I will just go in with my files and fix that problem and just measure them again. And yeah, that's also a tip that some of you guys can use. So now I'm buffing the nails to get a smooth surface, and after that I'm just cleaning the nails with some alcohol and a little manicure brush. I like to use alcohol because alcohol dries fast, and if the clients wash their hands, water doesn't dry that fast. So this is how they look after filing and shaping. And now I'm just speeding through the design that I'm going to do, because the video is for the filing and shaping part and not for the design actually. But I already have a video on the leopard design, so I will put that also in the description box below. and I will just let you guys see what I'm doing here. So for the middle part of the leopard design, I'm using some gel polish. So after I've applied all the dots on the nails, I will curing that on my lamp, and after that I will be just like freestyle with those black lines with a dotting tool with some black painting acrylic paint. And after it's all dry, you don't have to dry the acrylic paint under the lamp. After it's air dried, I will just go in with some gel top coat from Kupa Inc nails to top of the nail, and yeah, then you will see the end result. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result of the nails. I really hope you have liked it. I really hope you have learned something from this video. You guys have really requested this video, so I really hope you have learned something. And thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for my next videos. We will be announcing the giveaway winner. Okay, this is the giveaway from the foil gels with these 2 foil kits from Kupa Inc nails website. I will be giving it away. Like my last giveaway, I will be using the website from the random picker. I will show you guys in a second how I'm going to choose that. So yeah, let's go and pick the winner. I will use my phone. I will search the YouTube video for that I have announced the giveaway in, and that you had also had to comment done under that video, and I will also link the specific text that will be done. And okay, so we are going to pick the winner. I'm always so excited and nervous about these things, so let's get choose comment. And there is 266 people that have commented done under this video, so let's find the winner, you guys. So excited. Let's see. And the winner is Tiny Wilson. I'm sorry if I misspelled your your name. I'm sorry if I misspelled your name. But baby girl, go ahead and text me on Instagram or on Facebook, so I know that you are the winner, and also so we can discuss some things, so I can ship the product to you. Okay, so send me a DM, baby girl, so you can get your package. Congratulations, I'm so happy for you. So yeah, you guys, this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have liked this video. I really hope you have learned something. If you have learned something, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, so you know, so we can be a family around here, you know. Yes, it's gonna be lit. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much. Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, share this video with everybody, with your family and friends. And one more time, congratulations to the winner of the giveaway. Thank you so much for participating, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.